If you're enjoying this content, please click on like and follow below. Hey Shivam Jindal, good to see you. Can you please share the vocabulary of data science? No, because there is no dictionary or like predefined list of that, right? Data science is too much of a dynamic field for there to be here's a list for you to read, right? That's not data science works, especially with vocabulary. It's changing all the time. It can mean different things to different people. Just like right now, our friend in Ghana said satellite data analysis. What does that mean? I think I know what that means, but you got to ask, right? That's being a data scientist, right? Data scientist asks for clarification, right? It's called validating your assumptions, and in technical scientific speak, but you got to clarify questions, right? So vocabulary can be a funny thing because it may mean something to you but not to somebody else. So there really is. So Jindal, there is no defined list for data science vocabulary. So no, there's nothing I can really just hand over to you. You learn it by doing the work, by being in the trenches. That's when the vocabulary will come to you naturally. But again, it's also an exercising of that, right? It's about how you do that in your daily life, right? So I'm sorry, there is no list I can hand over to you. You just kind of have to be in the trenches, and the vocabulary will come naturally to you. I promise.